The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kanabec County, northwestern Chisago County, northeastern Isanti County, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southeast of Brunswick, or 11 miles north of Cambridge, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Graston around 12:55 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7, online radio.
Emergency Alert System.
A civil authority has issued a fire warning for El Paso, Colorado, beginning at 01:44 p.m. and ending at 02:44 p.m. Message from IPASCAP. The Colorado Springs Police Department has issued an evacuation order for a wildland fire near Summer Grace/Ackerman Drive. Evacuate the area immediately. Stay tuned to local media for updates.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7, online radio.
The following is a message from the Emergency Alert System.
A civil authority has issued a fire warning for El Paso, Colorado, beginning at 12:43 p.m. May 12, 2022, and ending at 1:43 p.m. May 12, 2022. The Colorado Springs Police Department has issued an evacuation order for a wildland fire near Summer Grace/Ackerman Drive. Evacuate the area immediately. Stay tuned to local media for updates.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7, online radio.